Hello everyone. Welcome to join Golden International Have Free Education. My name is Mary Huang. Invention credit Golden International Mobile Health Life Science. Today we will teaching Golden International Mobile Health Life Science. The application knowledge tact for yourself protect your own health. The correct modern knowledge Golden International Daily Actions. Golden International Daily Actions is consist of 40 set different kind actions. Total of 8 Golden International Daily Actions original education video courses. About a brief introduction, Golden International Mobile Health Life Science and Golden International Daily Actions, and for participating to learn and obtain effects and so on. We already put all the following after the teaching video. Please, everyone must watch and read carefully. Now, we will teach one action among Golden International Daily Actions. Last class, we give the action, hand action, leg action, shoulder action, and connect action. Many people ask, excuse me, how many quantity we need to do for that action each day? Good question. We give correct answer is 100 times. Shall we do more? No, you cannot do more. The reason is after our a few decades deeply research and back practice, finally we got conclusion is one action if you do more maybe will hurt your body inside some organs or some parts that we don't want. So make it easy. Just do 100 times each day for protect your own health. Shall we do less? Somebody also asked. No, because if you do less, the effective will low. That's also we don't want. So make it easy. Just keep that action one day 100 times. Enough. However, for beginner, just join. They need repeat, and adjust action. So don't rush yourself. Step by step, you can do fast. However, when you get the professional, you can do right actions. We still ask you to do 100 times for one day in order to protect your own health. Before we do the 100 times for one day quantity, we got some things to note. Everybody must remember. Number one, always keep your body upright and avoid leaning forward or backward. Number two, the feet touch floor should lightly, cannot make any sound. Number three, the feet back rib is rib, cannot kick. Slowly, yes. And the knee cross, knee past human center line, yes. And the finger open, need finger put on your pants seam. Another finger hold your leg and fold shoulder Up, down, up, down. One up is limit, and one down is limit. And then switch, limit, limit. And with your leg should do the cross. That's like that's should, that's like that's should. Okay, now we need to do. However, we still need to count. We choose the two different language to count. English, hi. Somebody asked, excuse me, why we need to choose two different language to count? Good question. Because we need to protect our chick and long, far away, bronchitis, pandemic, lung disease, and lung cancer, and many different diseases. So we need to choose two different language to count. Somebody also asked, excuse me, I cannot speak Thai. Doesn't matter. You can choose your hometown language. For example, you can choose Spanish and English. That's two different language. Also match our foreign language requirements. Of course, your eyes should look straight, smiling your face, and throw out bad things from your mind. Yes, headache things, nervous things, and put in happy, enjoying, and make sure you should carefully watch and make sure your action it is correct position and do right way. Okay, now everybody follow me to do the that's action 1 day quantity 100 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11、12、13、14、15、16、17、18、19、20、21、22、23、24、25、26、27、28、29、30、31、32、33、34、35、36、37、38、39、40、41、42、43、44、45、46、47、48、49、50、51、52、53、54、55、56、57、58、59、60、61、62、63、64、65、66、67、68、69、70、71、72、73、74、75、76、77、78、79、80、81、82、83、84、85、86、87、88、89、90、91、92、93、94、95、96、97、98、99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 1 6、7、8、9、10。3、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。4、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。6、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。7、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。8、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。9、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。10、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。Wonderful. Do Do that action so slowly, one by one, because they need cross one by one. If you do fast, you really cannot do right way. And hand put on, you should slowly up, down, up, down. Make sure every action is correct and your own limit position. Learn correct knowledge, must correct knowledge. You can discover many changes. At home, you easily join Golden International Daily Actions. Every day, you do 47 different actions. You easily get healthy, far away different diseases, and enjoy your own happy life. Hello everyone. Now we give special teaching. That action important is back raise, leg, back raise, and the knee should cross human center line. Look at the side. No matter how high, but make sure back raise, not a kink, just raise. Yes. We do 2 times back raise. Look at the side. And hand open, middle finger put on, your pen send, another finger hold your leg, and follow shoulder up, limit, down, limit, up, limit, down, limit. Look the side. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Yes, just follow shoulder, up, down, and that's like that's shoulder, that's like that's shoulder. Somebody asked, we can do one side, impossible. Sometimes do it very difficult, okay. But most normally do this. That's like that's shoulder, that's like that's shoulder, okay. And the shoulder up your limit, down either your limit, okay. Now we do 2 times. Look at the side. Very good. And somebody asked, they leg raise cannot hide, cannot do that action. That means it's your leg lost some function. You always sit down with computer and 1 hour, 2 hours, no move. Of course, one by one, your leg lost function. However, don't worry, we will give you some action instead of slowly by slowly restore your leg function. First of all, you can do just a touch in the middle, okay? Wait, that's like middle, touch, and switch. Look at the side. Then got a few months, you like got a little power, you can do back, also touch through. But now weight still hold that leg. Look at the side. Then, past another few months, your leg got the power back, so you can do back raise. Look at the side. Okay, now we do 20 times with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at the side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Everybody is smart. Step by step, absolutely can do right action. Enjoy.